Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to use Magic Eraser on Pixel phone. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to use Magic Eraser. For erasing, tap on the edit option on the bottom side and scroll toward right to choose the tools option. In tools, you can see the Magic Eraser option. Tap on the Magic Eraser and choose the required area you want to erase. Choose the area by brushing. Now you choose the area is erased. By doing this, you can erase unwanted portions in your image very conveniently and accurately. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.